Well, hello there, friends. Summer's still here, and it's hot out there. I'm gonna make a cold, beautiful chicken salad. I'm gonna share with you how I make it. I make it with all kind of goodies in there. I got some cherries in there. I got some almonds. I got some celery. I got carrots. I got all kind of goodies, and I'm making it without mayonnaise. It's delicious. You're gonna love it, I promise you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned. I'm gonna share with you my secret on how to make the most amazing chicken salad. All right, friends. Well, today I'm going to show you, I'm going to poach the chicken. And I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. You could grill it if you want. You could pan saute it if you want. It'll be nice also. But I want to show you how to poach it correctly, friends. So I got a pot right there. It's always good to use a pot. We'll put some onion in there in the bottom of it. I got this beautiful red onion. Doesn't matter. It'll be perfect. We got a few garlic cloves in there. Then we're going to kind of give it a little a smash around it. And so they release a little more flavor in there, right? And we're gonna pour that right in there, and step one for the top, and we're gonna put some thyme. Thyme is always beautiful, as we know. It's very floral, and 14 peppercorn. Doesn't matter how many. And what we're gonna do, friends, we're gonna put the chicken breast on it. We're using chicken breast. We're gonna put them right on top. Just like that. Beautiful. And then we're going to put a little bit of salt on top of them. Unless you're working with a chicken stock that has a lot of salt, then you don't need to put the salt in there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to cover them. Now you can do it with water. I do with chicken stock, it's got more flavor. And plus now my chicken stock is going to have that much more flavor, you see? My chicken stock is going to have that much more flavor. So after that, a chicken stock, I'm not throwing it away. I am not throwing it away, friends. That chicken stock, I'm going to use it. Even if I don't need it right away, I'll just freeze it. It's going to taste even better now. It's got that flavor in it. I'll put a little more onion in there. And like I said, you can use water. Just use water. It's fine. Just don't tell him I said so. And then, friends, we're going to bring this to boil. The minute it's boiling, I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to put a cover on it. I'm going to leave it in there about 12 to 15 minutes until my internal temperature is about 155, 160. That's the secret. Don't go over that, otherwise you're going to have a dry chicken. And the secret is to poach it gently, no bubbles, and you'll see it'll be beautiful meat. All right? So I'll be back when the chicken has had an opportunity to chill, and then we'll cut it and we'll make the salad together. All right, I'll be back here in a minute. Okay, friends, remember, use your thermometer. Check it out. I checked it. I'm at 155, 160. And I'd rather you take it out because it's going to continue cooking a little bit, you know? So you take your chicken right there, and boom, right there. And then what you're going to do, I'm going to strain all this. See, it's going to be beautiful chicken stock. It smells amazing in here. And I'm going to strain it all. And we're going to let it cool completely at room temperature first. We're going to let all the steam out. And then I'll refrigerate it. And when it's cold, we'll make the salad. Okay, so I'll be back in a few more minutes. Okay, friends. Well, I got a lot of stuff. You can put all of them or you can put some of them. The chicken. Chicken is cold. It takes a good 35 minutes before you put it in the fridge, and then leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours. So it's cold, okay? And what we're going to do, friends, we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it in very small slices, very thin slices, and then we're going to take those slices and we're going to cut them in cubes. And yeah, that's the way I like to do it. And the chicken breast is fantastic. It's very moist. It's beautiful. See, so cut it in long strips. See, look at this. See, it's beautiful. It's not dried at all. It's just gorgeous. So what we do after that, we take it in long strips. You see, we take the long strips, like kind of julienne, if you will, right? And then we're going to take that, and then we're gonna cut it in cubes, and we're gonna mix it all up with a dressing. Yeah, it's very tender. It's delicious. And that's it, my friends. You see, it's very simple. And so you can shred it if you want. I just think cut nice like that is better, but that's a matter of opinion. Cut however makes you happy. And I wish we're basically cutting in little cubes. I'm doing it faster than we don't spend too much time on this. And voila, we have it right there. Now we're going to put it in a bowl. I cut this one a little smaller than the other, but we're in good shape. Clean this up, and then we're going to make our dressing. All right, and then we'll put everything together. And like I said, you can grill the chicken too. It'll be perfectly fine. All right, I like everything nice and clean. So let's do it. So in the dressing, you can use mayonnaise if you want, but I'm going to use the ingredient I used to make a mayonnaise, if you will. Okay, so an egg and a Dijon mustard. And we're going to put the sour cream after. We're going to put a little garlic. Put as much or as little garlic as you want, right? A little bit of dill. And beautiful Italian parsley. And wash it really nice, Italian parsley. Basically, it's kind of like the ingredient you find in a ranch dressing, if you will. And I got some chili, red chili pepper. It's not too spicy. It's a little spicy. It's going to give a nice little kick to the dressing. And then we're going to put some olive oil. And I'm using a garlic olive oil. A garlic olive oil will be perfect for this. And I got it right there. And then we're going to put a little bit of sour cream. Put the olive oil. We're going to puree all this. Measure carefully, friends. We want to have a nice consistency. See, look. Beautiful, see? Kind of like a mayonnaise consistency, if you will, right? Little salt. You see, it's beautiful. And then we're going to lighten it a little bit, if you will, lighten, with a little bit of sour cream. I love to put sour cream in a mayonnaise type dressing. Now, this is really, because I have a love for cumin. So I'm going to put a little bit of cumin in there. In the background, friends. It's not going to be in the foreground. You're hardly going to know it's in there. You're going to know because you're making it. But it's really, really cool. I have a chicken soup that I make that is very similar to this. You see, look how beautiful that is. Maybe a touch more sour cream. Touch more sour cream. And right there we have a nice mayonnaise type dressing. Like I say, you can use regular mayonnaise and flavor it, but I decided not to. I'm gonna put a little bit, just a touch of sherry vinegar, just a touch. Whoop. Touch of a sherry vinegar, and put a little lemon juice in there, just a little bit of acid, and we are looking beautiful, friends. All right, I'm gonna give it a test, and I think we are good to go to finish the salad here, friends. Let me test it. Oh, that's a lot. Delicious. All right, so yeah, I got all the ingredients I want in there. Now, this is cool, but not exactly easy to get it all out of there. So here we go. We're now going to put some in there, and we're going to mix it up, and then we're going to add all of our ingredients. See, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. See? Gorgeous. It's got amazing flavor. The cumin, if you don't like it, just don't put it in, friends. This is like a matter of opinion, eh? Okay, now, the ingredients I like to put in there. You can put them if you want them. If you don't have them, don't worry about them. I like to put little fruits in my chicken salad. These are dried cherries that are very moist. They're delicious. I like a little sweetness in there. Don't want them, don't put them in. almonds, slivered almonds, not slivered, sliced almond. And also I love raisins, but the white ones. You can put the dark one if you want. Okay. Little spice again with this little red chili pepper. Just a little bit. We don't need a lot. Shallots instead of onion. Shallots are more delicate. You know, I mean, you can put onion if you want, but I don't like the potency of an onion in there. I think it's a little too much. Celery. I guess you must put celery in one of those salads. I love the crunch of it, right? And little carrots. They're not going to bring you much besides for color. Going to make it interesting. Now, this is where I know some of you are going to say, no, I don't want it. Don't put it in. Fennel. Fennel. Cut very, very, very small. If you don't have fennel, don't. If you just have it, that's the whole thing about this salad, friend. You have it, put it in. You don't have it, don't worry about it. All right, and we're going to mix all this up. We're going to bind the whole thing up. And we're going to add dressing as we need it. You see? And it's looking beautiful. You know what I'm going to do, friends? I got to put a bit of black pepper in there. A little bit of black pepper. And we're going to put more dressing. Let me put it out of the way. You see, we got to put more dressing because we're a little dry. I'd rather be a little too dry and add more than have too much of it, you see? And then, yeah, let me tell you, friends, you got to try and make this. This is delicious. Right? A little more dressing. What do you think? You think it's going to be enough? I think it's going to be enough. So, you know, I've made it also where I added some avocado in there. I mean, you're going to have so much fun with this. I think different texture, a little sweetness with the raisins and the cherries is kind of cool. You're going to add chopped apple also in there. I love to do that. There's so many things you can put in a chicken salad. And here we have it, my friends. You see, look. It's looking beautiful. I am going to test it. I'm going to test it to make sure it tastes good. It looks delicious. Let's see what we got. Let me take this out of the way and see what do we have here. No more salt. And I could use more dressing. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. A little more salt. And I'm done. And this, my friends, you can serve it on lettuce and things. You know what I'm serving it today on? On a brioche bun. I love making serving myself. So what I do is, I can put it in here. I get myself a brioche bun. Let me take this out of the way. And then I want to try to make it look nice so it doesn't go all over the place. So I take my brioche bun. I take a cookie cutter. I put it in here. And I may take a clean spoon. And we're going to do this right on there, my friends. And voila. And we're going to pack it in. That's just the way I do it today, but tomorrow you can serve this on a green. You can serve it however you want, my friends. Pack it in so it stays nice. And don't worry about put as much or as little as you want, right? Just use your sandwich. You can also put some cheese in there. And then we're going to take that out. And then we're going to put it in there. And voila, my friends. We have ourselves a beautiful chicken salad on a brioche bun. Gorgeous. Look at this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make it. If you don't have all the ingredients, don't worry about it. Put in what you have. Have fun with it. That's what it's all about. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching.